Hi everyone, welcome to this section where I will be sharing a useful study tip with you. Again, this is a tip that I give to my students, especially those that are younger learning the language or that maybe struggle a little bit and they need that extra boost at home. So all you need are three things: a pen, it could be a marker, highlighter, crayon, anything, just something to write with, cue cards like this or paper, and tape. We already went over some nouns together. Now, I'm going to show you how to apply a strategy that will help you continue to practice these words so that you can master them. So, on a cue card right here, you are simply going to write the noun. You're going to write what it is. For example, right here, this is a table. So I would write table. Okay, table. Now, if you're ready to do something a little more advanced, which if you can, I strongly recommend that you do, because like I said, masculine, féminin is so important in the language, and it will truly be a lot of help to you. So if you can, I want you to add the déterminant, which is the small word before the noun. So in this case, it would be la table, because la table is a noun féminin, okay? So we are saying the table, okay? Now, you will grab tape. Maybe you prefer sticky tack or something, but this is just tape that's easy to come off so it doesn't get stuck to anything. And you will simply stick it to la table. So every time you walk by, you see it, it's a visual reminder, and you can verbally say it as well, okay? So I already went ahead and I wrote some things on here. For example, le mur. Okay, le mur. I have la fenêtre. What does la fenêtre mean again? That's right, the window. Again, you have the choice. You can either write just fenêtre, the noun, or la fenêtre, but I do recommend this. This will only be to your advantage later on. Okay, so the curtains are down, but that's okay. Gives us an idea. La fenêtre. All right, making a practice. What's le plancher? That's right. Thanks, cameraman. Le plancher, the ground, the floor. Maybe put it in a spot that you don't mind it being for a little bit. So maybe here, so that if you're sitting down at your usual rocking chair or whatever chair, you can see it. Télévision. Okay. Again, this is a really good visual reminder so that you are seeing it. You're seeing what it is. Télévision. You see the word right here. Okay. Practice it when you say it. When you see it, say it maybe 3 times. When you walk in a room and you're sitting here, okay, you simply say, okay, le plancher. I know that the floor means le plancher. I see the word télévision. La télévision. Oh, fenêtre. C'est la fenêtre. C'est means it is. C'est la fenêtre. C'est la télévision. C'est le plancher. C'est la table. C'est le mur. Okay? Again, just visual reminders. Go over if you want. I encourage you to start maybe just one. Start with one word that you really want to focus on. And then once you become more comfortable, maybe it'll take you a week. But then you can slowly add on more. And then you can practice them all at once, or you can go back to them. It's not going to work the same way for everyone. Just whatever works for you, do it. Whether it's 1 word at a time, 2 words, 5 words, keep them for a week, for a day. It's up to you. But I encourage you to do this strategy. And please let me know how it works out for you. I would love to hear back.